Now listen.
Faking.
Now listen. Realism. Yesterday I told you about realism. Tell me, what is realism?
Practical things.
Practical things. What is reality?
Hmm.
Right? So if I talk about international relations, then there are various types of realism. For example, classical realism, then neo-realism, then neoclassical realism, then post-colonial realism. Now listen carefully first. Classical realism, you know what? See, international relations are determined by the human natures. It means that India has various cultures, various diversity. So international relation will be decided by the human nature. This is called what? Classical realism. Then second is neo-realism. This is also called scientific realism. And this says that see, there is no central power. There is anarchy. Everyone is ruling has his own interest. There is no central power. So it is of two types, defensive and offensive. Defensive means that I will increase my power to defend myself. For example, India has nuclear power.
For defense.
For defensive, not attack somebody. But second type is offensive. Do you know what is offensive? It means that I will increase my power to attack somebody. For example, right now Russia is doing with Ukraine. So that I can increase my hegemony, power, dominance. Then third is neoclassical realism. You know what is neoclassical? किसी neither human nature nor anarchy decide the interrelations, but domestic crisis. Suppose that India has communalism, India has Jammu Kashmir issue, India has West Bengal issue, India has river water dispute. All these things determine the international relations. It means whatever is happening in domestic level, that will decide the international relations. This is called neoclassical realism.
Tell now neoclassical again. Neither
human nature will decide, nor anarchy will decide, nor government will decide, but domestic crisis which is happening, that will decide the international relations.
Okay, is any disaster
Yeah.
or any river water dispute.
Yeah.
So domestic.
Yeah.
Geography.
Yeah. Decide. Then the last one is post-colonialism, post-realism. You know